When someone's like, I wish I just had a job where I press a button all day. The best thing that I found to say is, belittling is a thing right now. You know, when someone belittles you, you kind of have to stop and go, was it on purpose or not? You know, and then go from there. Hopefully it doesn't escalate into something terrible and get too out of control. When someone's like, I wish I just had a job where I press a button all day, or it's just a camera that takes good photos. Old as dirt, still going strong. Somebody did tell me the camera takes great photos, but I had to do that assessment of, no, they didn't mean anything out the way by it. I did have someone say, well, what exactly do you do besides take pictures? And it's such a gross oversimplification of exactly what a photographer's job is. And one who is also as big in the media and video like I am. Like I was saying, I was working on a website for the last month. That's just one website. I've got two to deal with, and social media to deal with. And this is not a cry for help or anything now. But photos and actually doing photo shoots might only be like 10% of what I might do in a week some weeks. Some weeks it might be 85. Video is always 90%, like right this second, down to maybe 50% in a week. Video is just ruling all in how I operate. YeagerShots.com, Carolina's Photography, Photo17.com. So that's just my experience. I know some photographers where it's just straight photos, they never ever touch video. Their numbers might be much different percentage-wise week in and week out, and hey, that's fine, but there's so much that goes into it. I feel like you're never off and you're always planning for something. You're always planning for what might happen here with a global pandemic. You're planning for what to do at the photo shoots. You're coaching people through how to get ready for picture day. All those things can go into it. Let's not forget, the regular business stuff, LLCs, taxes, which the tax part isn't too terribly bad because I'm not really throwing tons of corporation cash around or anything and hiding in the Cayman Islands, so mine's pretty straightforward as far as that goes. So when someone belittles you, it's kind of like, I gotta see exactly what you mean right here, right now. I am okay with walking away, but sometimes some facts need to be told. And the best thing that I found to say is, I don't really know how to dumb this down where you understand what I do. That kind of does all right there.